This is March 25th, I think, and the sugar is dripping out of the trees, out of the maple trees here in New Hampshire.
There's sap falling from the trees.
There's what?
It's maple sugar.
Maple sugar falling from the sky?
It's like $20 a quart, and you can just catch it as it comes down.
Is it, what is it like?
It's sugary sap. Tasty.
Today it's a beautiful blue sky. I'm saying it's a beautiful blue sky. And you can hear raindrops falling all around you though. And it's not rain, it's sugar sap falling out of the trees.
Cool. It's like rain. Sugar rain.